Well, welcome back to the Cebu Custom Cribs, and we're in the Philippines and the sun is out, so that means two things: hot and then hotter. And I have my mask on in case anybody else comes in here. You know, I don't want to spread germs. Maybe it comes through the internet as something I can give you guys. I don't want to do that, but I don't think much of the pandemic anyway. That's just my opinion. Today we're showing you a box of parts. Okay, can you see the box of parts down here? Okay, we have a blue, white, and we have the pink. Now we set up the blue one. Yes, this is our Playtime bin. Okay, other people sell these, but we have taken the Playtime bin and we have made it so it's very strong, very nice. Okay, you can see the detail on it. This is all solid wood. You can put on the rattles. We don't ship the rattles because it's more of an expense. We're shipping these in a 12 in a package type deal. Okay, so I want to show you the features of the Playtime gym. It's all solid wood and it's painted. It comes in blue, pink, and we also have white. If you want a natural, unstained or unfinished color, we can do that too. The problem with that though is you have to put some kind of sealer or oil on it, because you're going to have dirty hands all over the unfinished wood. It's going to look bad in a short period of time. But this is great for the baby. They love it. It keeps them occupied. We'll show you the pictures of the baby swinging. And the beauty about ours is it has the rods. These are strong wooden rods here that connect, and it folds right up like that. So this is easy to fold. People talk about others that they say they don't fold, and the other units that I've noticed, people use a string here, so it's not very strong, I don't think. So Custom Cribs has developed this as a folding product, painted, very strong, and with the metal, or I'm sorry, the wood supports here to lock it in. They lock in, okay. As you can see on the sides, they're interlocking here. So you just pull it up and down and then lock it in. It's that simple, and it folds right up on both sides. Very easy to put together, 2 screws, and you're finished. We ship this complete in a package. We suggest you order 12 units if you want. This is a perfect opportunity to make a lot of money doing this. You can start your own store. Other places sell these and they sell them for a lot more. We're in the Philippines, so we can offer you a better price than most places, okay, because the labor rate is very cheap here and other things as well. So if you order a box of 12 of these, it's about $400, and you can take the 12 units, you can keep one for yourself, and you can sell the others on eBay or Amazon or anything you want. They're very well demanded. I mean, in a high demand product. People love them. The babies love them. So you're going to have a custom made, beautiful little product that you can resell. We ship to the US or any other country. We also ship it to the Philippines, throughout the Philippines, around the Philippines. So we're going to show you more of these, okay, all together in package, and we will also be doing some other things. We'll show you other products coming soon. So, okay, so you're going to get, we're going to give you more views of these all together, the pink one and the white one. We will show you at the end of this video. We'll also give you a preview of what we have here, and this is a swing. It looks like a mess right now, which it is, but it comes together real quick. I have blah blah. So anyway, but this is a swing. It goes together like this. And we have to find the right strings to pull. So I have to pull the right string here, or I have a mess. Can you help me there for a second? Grab. So we also have these that we're going to show here in another video. It's a swing, and you've seen these probably before also. Some people use dowel rods, but we use a flat a flat wood for the baby's arms and everything to rest on. So we'll do this video, and in a future video you will see more about that, okay? So if you are interested in the gym, the baby gym, please contact us. We can, ship you any amount that you would like. Like I said, it's better if you go with 12, because then the cost comes down a lot, and the shipping is expensive going to the US or Canada or some other country. So if you order 12 or more, you're going to save money, and you're going to be able to make money. You're going to have a chance to sell our product in another country, okay? And all you have to do is put it on Amazon or eBay. Okay, and I'll see you in our next video that we will be doing soon.